Import these clips to your project and make sure you have 3 beats in between. Make sure you have a sticker, one of the photos, a bread PNG, and a background layer. Hide the PNG and the background layer. Now click on the plus icon and click on Vector Drawing. And start by outlining the bread. We're going to frame the picture in here. After you're done with that, unhide your photo underneath and resize it. Now select the shape with the photo and click on the middle grouping option. Adjust the duration of the shape so that it matches the photo. Now click on the plus icon again and add a circle. Color however you want. And place it on the top left corner like this. Go to Border and Shadow and add a stroke and increase the size. And now adjust the color so that it's darker. And now add a text and type in 1. Make sure to click this so that it's in the middle and adjust your font. Go to Color and Fill and make the color the same as the stroke of the circle. And then put this number in the middle of the circle. Adjust the duration of both layers, and then click on the first grouping option at the top. Now unhide one of the stickers and place them on the bottom right corner. Now select the top 4 layers and click on the first grouping option at the top. Now click on Border and Shadow and add a shadow. Now duplicate this layer 2 times. Go to the middle one, click Edit Group. Go to the number group and type in 2 instead of 1. Now click on the sticker, go to Color and Fill, and click Select Media. Pick your second sticker. And here click Fit. Now go to Group, click Edit Group, click on the photo, go to Color and Fill, and select Media, and now switch out your photo to a second one. Now go to Group 3 and copy the exact same process. After you're done adjusting all 3 groups, hide the top 2 and go to the first one. Put it at the top left corner like this. Now add scale and rotation keys at the start and second beat. At the start, scale it down to 0 and rotate it 90 degrees. Add this graph in between. Click on the 3 dots and copy the curve and paste it over to scale. Now unhide your second photo and put it at the bottom like that. Adjust the rotation to -5 degrees. Now go back to group 1 and adjust the rotation to +5. On group 1, add position keys on the first beat and third beat. The first beat is in between the start and the second beat. And on your second position keyframe, move your layer up and left. And then paste the graph. Now go to your second group and add scale and rotation keys on the first and third beat. On a first keyframe, make the scale 0 and rotation -95. Paste the curve in between both properties. And now add position keys on your second beat and end of the group. At the end, move your layer up and right. And paste a curve in between. Now unhide your third toast and place it like shown. Make the rotation +5 degrees. And now add scale and rotation keys on your second beat and end. At the start, make your rotation 95 and make your scale 0. And paste a curve in between. Lastly, add a rectangle at the start of the entire project and zoom it in until it covers the entire screen. Then go to color and fill and make it light pink. And then put your opacity down. And then move it underneath the 3 group layers and adjust its duration. Now add opacity keys at the start and second beat. On the first keyframe, make your opacity 0 and then paste a curve in between. Now add a null layer at the start of the entire project and click on your first toast under the null. Click Try next to the rubbish bin. and select null 1. Copy this progress on all of your other layers. This is how you connect your layers to a null. Now go to null, go to move and transform, and add position and rotation keys at the start and second beat. On your second beat, click on the Z property and decrease it, and move your layer to the first toast. Rotate it to -6 degrees, or -7. Paste the curve in both properties. Adjust if anything looks off. Now in between these two keyframes, on your first beat, add another null, and connect null 1 to null 2 using the same button. Now go to null 2 and add position and rotation keys at the start and third beat. Since the toast moves, I'm just going to adjust it here. And then I'm going to move the keyframes where they belong. Base the curve in between both properties. Now, go to your second beat and add another null. Connect null 2 to null 3. Before you adjust anything, adjust the duration of the nulls. And now on null 3, add position and rotation keys at the start and end. On your second keyframe, adjust both properties. And then paste the curve in between. You can add more overlays on top of this. But first, add a rectangle at the start of the entire project and click on the 3 dots at the top. Click Fill Composition Area. Adjust the duration of the rectangle and then select all of your other layers. Click on the middle grouping option at the top. And now you can add your effects.